Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2024 Polaris Ranger XD 1500 NORTHSTAR Premium. It's got the 6,000 pound synthetic rope winch, BF Goodwrench tires. These are 8-ply tire. I'm gonna say the fronts look like they're around 50-60% tread. Rear tires look like they're probably closer to like 60-70%. Has the power assist dump box, electric power windows. This is a 3-cylinder motor, 110 horsepower. Has heater and air conditioning. Electric power windows. Hydraulic dump box does work. This machine's got 972 engine hours. Sorry if you can't see that. And right at 14,320 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at the dealership, 406-232-3300.